How to start your own business with little to no money. Now, I'm a pro at this. I've started many, many businesses that are worth millions of dollars with no money. So get a pen and paper. And those of you who want to bootstrap, I have every idea possible. And it's not difficult, it's just different. So the three things specifically we're going to talk about is start with what you have. You all have this, you all have gifts, you have talents, you have a brain. I need you to, number two, get incorporated. You got to live corporate life. There's no such thing as sole proprietor. I mean, the biggest mistake of most people is thinking, well, I'm going to start really small as a sole proprietor and hope it all works out. And number three, and critical, you've got to hire people, you got to get some systems and get some sales immediately. And you're not going to go build a bunch of stuff because I guarantee they're not coming. So let's start with what you have. What do you have? You have skills, you have talents. In the description, I'm going to give you what's called the skill set analyzer. Go through the skill set analyzer. What are you good at? What have you already made money doing? And now, I am not one of those people who say, do what you love and the money will come. I guarantee if you just love to binge on Netflix and eat bonbons, money's not coming. So none of that's really going to work out. You do what you know how to do, you become a great entrepreneur, and then you get to walk towards your passion and what you love to do. Because you have to learn to be a good entrepreneur. You can't just do what you love and be a horrible entrepreneur. I don't know why anyone doesn't think of that's common sense. So entrepreneurs, what do we have that you need? And I can tell you, even the best entrepreneurial universities in the world do not teach enough of entrepreneurial marketing, sales, and cash flow. And those are the three pivotal skills that you've got to enact right away. So do what you already know how to do. If you're a teacher, go be a tutor. If you like to clean houses, have a house cleaning business. If you love to cook, do meal prep. It's one of the greatest new spendings of money that's happened. If you like landscaping, go do landscaping. I know people who have started just in-house plant businesses. People don't have time to take care of their plants. They want beautiful plants. They'll go door to door to door, just like you do dog walking. You go plant sitting and you go door to door to door. Whatever you know how to do, it doesn't have to be big and fancy. And here's what I'm going to warn you. If you think it's got to be big and fancy and you have a big ego about it, you're probably going to lose. You're not an influencer right now. You're not going to just get out of bed one day and say, I'm going to start and be an influencer. You could go be an affiliate of an influencer, which is what I did. 1996 to 2000, I worked on the Rich Dad Poor Dad team. Then I broke onto my own to do my own thing. So a lot of you need to be mentored and guided inside of an entrepreneurial system. So I mentor, I guide, we help you a lot. And I have owned many, hundreds of companies. I'm a millionaire in 8 categories, soon to be 9, maybe 10 this year. We'll see if we can get the 10th one done, given construction cost and time. But for sure by next year, I will have 10 industries that I become a millionaire in. So what do you know how to do? And let's get it out and market it. So number 2, every penny you make, I want inside of corporate structure. So I want you to go to the description below, click on the link to go get a free strategy session around should you be an LLC, a limited partnership, an S Corp, C Corp, or trust, or a combination of all of that in the United States. If you're in other countries, we can actually do Canada, in the US, Mexico, we can do North America. We have resources in other countries. It's not just a US thing. Companies make money, individuals get taxed. So all of the money that you make, including you athletes that are NIL athletes getting some sponsorship, that's money inside of a company. That's your brand around your sports career or your entertainment career. So I'm a huge fan, not a fan, adamant you get incorporated and you get a database system. We have one. If you go to Ask RMS, it's in the description below. We can help you get started with the database so you can start moving all those followers into a proper database. Those are 2 structures that are pivotal to get started. So you say, well, what, I don't have any money. Well, we're going to get you making some money, but the first money spent is getting incorporated and getting that database. Have to get those 2 systems so you can market and then you can activate the tax code. Now, what do you do once you have your idea? Well, come to my marketplace. I'm going to give you 2 tickets. Every 3 weeks, we have a marketplace. Come test your idea. There's usually 100 people out there. See if people want to buy what you have. We'll help you craft your offer, $10, $20, $30. You say, well, I need to make thousands of dollars. I know, but if you can't make 30, you can't make thousands. So you need to do a lot of what I call first base runs, small tickets, give you lots of database. So I'd rather have $10 from 100 people in my marketplace than one person give me 100,000. Why? Because now I have 100 people that have already bought. They're buyers that I can keep selling other things to. So that's the power of a database, the company structure. And just sell services, sell something easy. When I started, I sold financial coaching. I knew how to financially coach. I knew how to help people do the basics and P&Ls and balance sheets. So I wasn't at the level I am today. Obviously, that was 20-something years ago, but I just started. So a lot of you just start doing your craft, doing your offers. Don't build a huge, massive website, a masterclass. Don't write a book. Don't do any of those things. You don't know what people want from you. Start putting out some ideas and offer a pre-sale. So have people start paying you for what you could do for them and tell them when you're going to fulfill it in the future. So again, starting in a bootstrap, it's not difficult. It's just different. You start doing offers right away. You collect money. You can put fulfillment out 6 to 8 weeks. So your first 6 to 8 weeks, all you're doing is getting a bunch of clients and getting a bunch of money in the door first on pre-orders, then go fulfill, and then keep doing both. Selling and fulfilling, using our rapid marketing system. You got to have a database. Those of you, think about it. Think about all of the entertainment and sports folks who have massive followings on the internet. And the minute their career goes down, they're nowhere to be found. They're no longer an influencer. All the followers fade away. What if you had taken during your career all those followers and put them into a database? I don't care who you are later. They know, like, and trust you. They will stay with you your entire life. I've had people in my database for almost 30 years now, 25 plus years, easily. Do exactly those systems. Do what's easy. Don't do an invention. Don't do something with products that cost a lot of startup capital. Just do what you know, get incorporated, get a database, and start making sales. You can fulfill later, but if you can't make a sale, you have nothing to fulfill, which means you aren't even in business. You're just what I call an emotional entrepreneur. Do not be those people. So to continue this journey of learning, I want you to subscribe to my channel, click the notification button. I want you here every day. I want you to now share this also with 5 other people that are in your circle, because you are like those people. And if everybody's a wannabe entrepreneur in your world, no one's the breakout star, you're not moving anywhere. Hire our team as a mentor. Use our expert team. Let us help you surge into cash flow. I love getting you to $100,000 as fast as we can, because with that money, you can do everything that I talk about. You won't have any restrictions. You won't have any weird things about, I can't, get any money. But you have to do all the things we talk about and make sure that your circle of friends, your environment is supporting you. If they're not, get rid of them. You can fire your friends, by the way. You can put them on a big pause. Say, I'm out here going to make money and be successful and take care of my family, not be in this whining, excuse COVID coma world that most people are living in right now. So go to AskLoral.com if you have any questions about this. I gave you a ton to do in this video. All of you could start making money today. You just have to open your mouth and say, my name's Loral, I'm a money expert. How could I help you? I'm going to hear one thing from you. I'm going to take some money. I'm going to fulfill. And I'm going to go again. All of you can bootstrap today within an hour if you do everything I say. Talk to you tomorrow. Hope you have some more money in your pocket by then.